Hey guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy-centric channel. Faint line in pregnancy test kit. Whether it is a negative pregnancy or a positive pregnancy result, we will explore in this video. These days, home pregnancy tests are very popular and almost a reliable way to determine whether you are pregnant or not. When the result is almost clear, there is no problem. You can understand that yes, you are pregnant. But when the line is not clear or it is faint line, then the question arises, what does this mean? Faint line can be a positive pregnancy as well as can be a negative pregnancy. So here we will understand about both the cases. So let's get started. Let's first understand about the faint line and when they will give you the positive pregnancy result. So you have performed your home pregnancy test, taking your first urine of the morning, and you have put the 2 or 3 drops as instructed at the place instructed in the kit, and you have got the result after the time as written in the instruction of the kit. This wait time can be of 3 to 5 minutes. It depends upon brands to brands. That means after putting the urine drops in the kit, you have to wait for certain amount of time. It could range from 3 minutes to 5 minutes, and this time was written on the instruction of the kit. So within that time or after waiting at that time, you have got the result and it has resulted in a faint line. So there are 2 lines primarily in the kit. One is the control line that will always come whether you are pregnant or not, and the second line is known as the test line, and we are talking about the test line. It can be faint with a color that is pink or blue, whatever the brand select to show the positive result, or sometimes it will not appear and it will clearly show that you are not pregnant. But if this faint line appears within the time frame as instructed in the kit, it means that you are pregnant. And the reason behind this faint line is that you have performed this test bit earlier when the level of HCG in your urine was not as much high that it could show you the dark line. This was about the positive pregnancy test, but in case you have waited for the time duration that is mentioned on the instruction kit after dropping the urine and no test line appeared, so you would understand that you are not pregnant. But there could be a case when you will let this test lie for some time, and sometime after when you will come, you will see that there is a faint line at the test line, and this will give you an impression as well as confusion whether you are pregnant or not. So this faint line that appeared long after the reaction time in the pregnancy test kit is known as evaporation line, and this shows that you are not pregnant. But still you may be in confusion. So what you should do when you have this sort of evaporation line? It is always good to take the test again, and it will be a better thing if you are going for a different brand this time. This will make you double sure about your pregnancy. So let's understand why this evaporation line appears. So first of all, if you are reading the test too late, that is after the recommended time frame, if you are reading the test, then the faint line can come, and this is the evaporation line. So it is always good to read all the test instruction before doing the test. Also, you need to make sure that you are not using any expired home pregnancy test kit. So make sure that you have read the expiry date and then only use it. Other reason of the evaporation line could be that you are using a test kit that is exposed to humidity or moisture. In that case also you will have chances of getting the evaporation line. And so understand all these points and then only perform the home pregnancy test. Even then, if you are not satisfied, the best way is to go for a blood test or an ultrasound to ascertain that yes, you are pregnant or not. So this was all about, and it was primarily about the evaporation line, that is the faint line that comes after the reaction time. And what does this mean? If you want to read this article, the link is given below. You can read the article as well. If you like to see more of such videos, do not forget to follow us or subscribe us. We are available on Facebook as well as on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. We will connect in another video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.